Being alone is not the absence of company, but the moment when your soul is free to speak to the divine, to yourself, and to help you decide what to do with your life. The world around you may question your choice to walk this path alone, but remember, it is in solitude that you find yourself. You are not escaping from the world, rather you are diving deep into the core of your existence. It's through reflecting on yourself that you'll undergo a powerful change. When you emerge, you'll shine brightly, ready to inspire others with your newfound light. If you feel alone in your spiritual journey, please know that you haven't done anything wrong or are missing out on anything. Being alone on your spiritual journey is crucial. In this precious moment, you encounter the essence of your being and hear the echo of your deepest longings, the unspoken dreams that have been whispered in your heart. Being alone compels you to journey within yourself, the most important endeavor in life. When you're alone, you are forced to seek answers to your problems independently. It can be a painful process as you navigate and release past traumas, constantly working to shift your thought patterns. But remember, you have a vision of your desired future, and the universe has witnessed the depth of your longing for it. Therefore, you have been guided into isolation to delve within. Understand that certain experiences must occur to shape you into the person you've always aspired to be. A brand new life necessitates a new environment, a new mindset, new belief systems, and a fresh perspective on life. Everything must change, but rest assured, it's all happening to align with your desires. In the midst of your spiritual journey, your beliefs play a significant role. Many of the beliefs you hold and the way you perceive the world may not align with what you truly desire. Being isolated allows you to become aware of this influence and question why you think the way you do. You were never meant to conform to any crowd. You are a natural leader. Unfortunately, this realization may have been suppressed during your upbringing, but now you stand alone effortlessly. Isolation provides you with an opportunity to change everything, to start fresh with a new way of thinking. This transformation is difficult to achieve when you are constantly surrounded by others. It is in the aloneness of your spiritual journey that you learn the art of self-love. You realize that true love begins within yourself and radiates outwards, touching every aspect of your existence. In this liberation, you become a beacon of light, inspiring others to embrace their own uniqueness. Being alone on this chosen path is because you are destined for something greater. Understand that some individuals may live their entire lives without experiencing their true spiritual gifts. The pain you endure and the healing you undergo on this journey are worth it. In the end, it will all prove to be worthwhile. Some people will not attain the depth of wisdom that you possess. They will not experience the present moment fully or feel the love emanating from the universe. They won't have the ability to manifest their desires as you will. Eventually, you will experience the profound emotions that all humans yearn for: unconditional love and liberation from pain. Be grateful for the opportunity to undergo a spiritual awakening in this lifetime, as your life is about to become truly extraordinary. You're on the cusp of realizing how close you are to achieving your desires. The universe and the divine are on your side, and they are all you truly need. You are alone on this journey to help you understand that you are never truly alone. Yes, you may lack physical companionship, but you will no longer feel lonely. There is a special connection you already have, or will soon discover, that will transform your life. Remember, this spiritual journey deepens your connection with the divine, with God, and with your true self. You will come to realize that you don't need anyone else on earth to feel complete. Love will emanate from within you because you are love. You won't seek validation because you will validate yourself. You won't require anything external to find happiness. Every emotion and feeling you seek will be discovered within yourself. You will realize the immense power that resides within you when standing alone. Embrace the transformative power of being alone and honor the divine wisdom that unfolds within the sanctuary of your soul. It is within this sacred space that you shall find the true essence of your being, the light that guides your way, and the boundless love that dwells within. I'm thrilled to know you're still here. Your support means the world to me, and I would be incredibly grateful if you could share and leave a comment on my content. Thank you for taking the time to consider it. I wish you an absolutely beautiful day.